Good afternoon. It is March 18th, 2024. Today we had really what turned out to be like a broad bear channel, weak downtrend. Uh, there was a ton of buying in the overnight and then it just dried up. And prices have just been trending down since 7:30 this morning. So there's probably some more shorts in here that I didn't get a chance to see, but not a whole lot of trades. So, big couple of moves up in the overnight. I believe this to be accurate. The overshoot, then we get a few legs up, and then this break sideways. This is the first pull back to the EMA. Well, actually, we got a leg back, but second leg back. So, I mean, you might take that for a scalp. That's reasonable. But then we just get two legs down. Then we get two legs up to a new high. And then we just start trading down. And this, this is tempting, this stuff, but I'd have the channel drawn more like this. This is actually probably more accurate. Let me change that. And it's probably from that low. So like this short is tempting, but it's just a lower high. It's like the third entry. Looks like, we made a matching high, so I don't think you can go short there. Ooh, but we do get a failed second entry. Failed second entry long right there. I like that. It's off the trend line. We had a couple of legs below the EMA down here. I mean, I could still understand people being a little worried to go short, but it sets up. It's off the trend line, so I'm going to mark it. You get a first entry, second entry right here. I marked that green. I'm going to have to change that now. I marked it green earlier just because I was considering this a range. We just bounced at this low, so there's a chance you're going higher. But I got to mark that one. I got to change it to red. Maybe I do keep it green. Especially if you're worried about a 50% correction, you're going right into that midline. So I'll keep it red, but it could be argued to be green. Come down to the bottom of that channel, and we just go sideways until we get a break. And technically, that's a second entry short right there. I'm not crazy about that because it looks like a range to me. And this looks like a double bottom. First entry failed, second entry short. We've been getting some decent buying pressure. Boom, boom, boom. So I think it's reasonable to go long there. It turns out this is part of a larger channel. We come up here, hit resistance, and sell straight off. And then you get this bullish reversal bar right at these lows. You can see we tested that level here, here, and here. So maybe you consider that. There's a tail on this bar. This is a reversal bar off that midline. So it's, maybe you consider it. I could see why people wouldn't, because there's strong bear bars right here. Consecutive bear bars. And that really brings us to the end of the day. I don't see, a good lower high off this trend line. This looks pretty good, like a failed second entry long, but on this chart, it didn't break higher. And so that's how I saw it. So I'm about to pull up the daily chart. Let me clear these drawings so we can take a look. And so it's like it's looking like it'll finish a bullish bar with a stem at the top. And you know, that's especially it look like I have it as us being in like a type of like triangle or something like that, like a little contracting channel. So we'll probably get a lot of sideways stuff. So good practice. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.